My name is Mike Anderson. I founded Reliance Mortgage in 1989, so I've been in the mortgage business for 31 years. I guess the biggest thing I like about it is seeing the satisfaction on people's faces, particularly first-time home buyers. This whole company, from processing to loan officers to underwriters, treats every customer with respect. I don't care if they're buying a $100,000 home or a $5 million home. Everybody has to be treated with a lot of respect in this business, in my opinion. And even if somebody's got a dumb question, you know, I've heard loan officers laugh about it and go, well, that guy's a dummy. He's not a dummy if he asks a question. He just doesn't know the answer. I have a saying, and I truly believe this saying. I really do believe this. It's not something I'm just saying for the camera. If we can't get a mortgage loan, it can't be done. And from when you come to us, we've got 20, 25 different lenders that we can sell notes off to. And all these lenders have their own guidelines. It's more than just being a loan officer and taking a loan application. It's a little bit of financial planning, figuring out, look, maybe you shouldn't pay that much money down. Maybe you ought to pay off your credit card debt. So a lot of times you can tell a customer, don't put another $20,000 down on this house. Take that $20,000 and pay off your credit card debt or your car payment or whatever it may be. We do a lot of mortgage loans with private banks here in Dallas. They're generally smaller community banks because they're looking for business, and they'll make some loans. For example, if your credit score is a little bit low, if you're paying enough money down, they'll look at that. And if there's a reason you had a foreclosure or a bankruptcy, they'll look at that, where the lenders in most cases won't look at it until a certain time period's up. And I can also tell you something else, that most loan officers are order takers, in my opinion. If you call in and want a quote, they're going to give you a 30-year quote most of the time. And the consumers out there don't even know that you can do a 25-year note or a 20-year note. The payments are very little different, but the pay down on the note is much quicker from a amortization point of view. You asked me what I like to do on my downtime. I like to read a lot of books. I like to entertain. I like to watch sports. Hunting, fishing, going camping to me is like being a homeless. So I'm not into camping or any of that sort of thing. I have no desire to go anywhere other than on a trip with my wife or something like that. But that's what I do for entertainment. And I work a lot of hours. I like working. You know, I don't mind. I'm here every Saturday. I've been working for 6 days a week my entire life. But I enjoy working. I don't want to retire. I mean, my wife says, when's enough? Never. I love working. I really do. And I like helping people. So what can I tell you? It's the truth.